Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. And even though I skipped March 2021 because I fucked up and showed my address and I was unable to censor it because I'm unable to do graphics, this is April 2021, so don't look hard for the March video. It just ain't uploaded yet. Not until I'm able to censor my address on that video. Now I would do a retake, but I don't remember what was all in the box. I don't know how to say the name, but it's right there in front of you. Gennaro, Gennaro. But anyway, Intercontinental. I don't know what that's. Well, All Stars pint size of Barry Horowitz. Pause to read. I don't know how well you can read it. Chulo pendant. Oh, these are trading cards. Alright, these things will still have their own episodes. Yeah, I said SWA. No, AWS Legends. Like I said, I come back later for those videos. I still owe you trading card videos from other unboxings a while back. Alright. I don't know, those postcard picture or a Polaroid picture of Dirty Ron. Oh my, Legend of Dirty Ron. Another Legend of Dirty Ron. Don't know how well you all see it. Yeah, I would do my videos outside my car. I just don't know where my tripod's at. That's why I've been doing my car lately. Oh, too much to read. Anyway, just read that right there. I might have to get this its own. Alright, it's about a movie about Dirty Ron. Oh, here's more. Just when I thought I was done with it all. I probably already butchered this video to hell. Katie Forbes as Wendy. Rob Van Dam. By the way, the whole goddamn show. Mikey Gordon as Dirty Ron. Matt Sydal as Shaman. Mac Wolf. Yippee is Rainbow Star. I think that's how I say it. Yeah, be careful not to lose all those. Oh, fun part. Another poster. Yeah, I kind of see it's Randy Savage on the TV. I can't quite see who that is holding him up. A certificate of authenticity of Giardino. Redden, I don't know how to pronounce her name. How to pronounce her name, let's see. Oh, here we go. Well, Hydra, I guess. Sorry that I'm butchering her name. I just never heard of her. But anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. If you want to subscribe to our Pro Wrestling Loot, The link will only be in the subscription only. It won't be up above because I'm unable to do graphics right now. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.